Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain example program using abstract class. In the last video, clearly explained in which cases we have to use abstract class. I have more than one object, like for example, I have circle object, I have sphere object, I have cylinder object. I want to find out area of circle, area of sphere, area of cylinder. First of all, what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, pi into r into r. What is the formula for area of sphere? 4 into pi into r square. R into R. What is the formula for area of cylinder? 2 pi R into R plus H. Actually, it is way of writing in mathematics, but in computer science, we have to write 2 into pi means pi into R plus H. First of all, you have to write all these formulas. Okay, I have circle object, sphere object, cylinder object. My aim is I have to find out area of circle. The formula is it requires pi value and r value. Using pi and r value, I have to calculate area of circle by multiplying pi with r into r. The same way, I have to find out area of sphere. It also requires pi value, r value. Then I have to use 4 into pi into r square formula to find the area of sphere. In the same way, when I am going to work with cylinder, the formula for area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. It is mathematical representation. In computer science, you have to write 2 into pi into r plus h. Actually, the formula is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, by taking 2 pi r as common, we are going to get 2 pi r into r plus h. If you see this example clearly, I have more than one object: circle object, sphere object, cylinder object. All these will require pi value, r value, pi value, r value. This one will require pi value, r value, and one more, h also required. And all these will require a common method, that is area method, to find out area of. Okay, in case of circle, I have to find out area of circle. In case of sphere, I have to find out area of sphere. In case of cylinder, we will use area method to find out area of cylinder. See, when I am going to find the area of circle, I am using pi value and r value and area method. Here the formula for calculating area of circle is pi r square. Coming to here, it is also going to use pi value and r value. Here also I am going to use area method, but the formula is 4 pi r square. Here also I have to use pi value, r value. Along pi value, r value, we have to use h value also. Here the formula, the area method will use the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. All these objects we have to use common resource: pi value, r value, pi value, r value, and area method. In case of circle, the area method will take pi and r value. Okay, it will calculate area of circle. Here, it will take pi value and r value. By multiplying with 4, it will find out area of sphere. In case of cylinder, along pi value, r value, it is going to use what value? H value. Using 2 pi r into r plus h formula, it is going to find out area of cylinder. In this case, why we have to use abstract class? In last video, I clearly explained what is the difference between class, abstract class, and interface. Okay, for better understanding, have a look of that video. It is there in my Java playlist. Okay. See, now I have to declare one class as abstract class To declare a class as abstract class, we have to use abstract keyword. Class name is, okay, shapes. Because I am going to use different shapes, circle, sphere and cylinder. Okay, abstract class contains what? Variables, constants, concrete method means normal method which is having body, and abstract method, at least an abstract method. Okay, so as for the requirement of this program, we require R value, radius value. If you want to take it radius, you can take it. If you want to take it as R, you can take it R also. So I want to use it radius means declare it as radius. But okay, due to space problem, I am declaring it as what? R only. R is used to represent radius. We require pi value, but pi value is constant. Already you know it. To declare constant in Java, we have to use final keyword, final float pi equal to 3.14f. This is variable, this is constant. Pi value, R value, okay. To read a radius value, we are going to use what method? Read method. Void read. The purpose of this read method is I want to provide radius value R equal to 5. Means I am taking radius value 5. Sir, I don't provide like this, sir. I will accept data from the user. Then do one thing, import java.util, use scanner class, system.out.println, enter radius value, scan sc equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay, int s equal to int x equal to or int r equal to, because to represent radius we are using r. S dot next int, you can write like that also. Okay, but I am providing directly. You can read by using data input stream also. You can read by using scanner class also. Okay. Next, sir, I don't want to take like this, sir. I want to take r value as input. Then do one thing. System.out.println, enter radius value. System.out.println, enter r value, radius value. You enter radius value. You can enter 5, you can enter 10, you can enter anything. Okay, enter it. But to read values, okay, in our Java language we have to use scanner class, scanner s equal to new scanner. From where you want to read it? Keyboard. Keyboard is what device? Input device. To represent input device, we are going to use input stream, system.in. Scanner class will read the data from where? By writing system.in. System.in is indirectly directed into input device. It will read value from keyboard. Okay. Now, using the scanner class to read integer value, we have to use s dot next int method. If it is float, next float method. Where I have to store? Store under the name R. This is the way of reading values. But if you want to use scanner class, this scanner class is defined in java.util package. So please write import java.util.star. Star means all classes and methods from util package. I want to import only scanner class, then write java.util.scanner. S caps and D. Semicolon. You can write java.util.star also, use semicolon. Okay, because the scanner class is defined in java.util. Okay, now over. Read method close. Okay. Abstract class contains variables, radius variable, constant, pi constant, concrete method, method having statement, method having body. At least one abstract method. Means what is an abstract method? It will not have body, only declaration. Okay, to find out area of circle, I am going to use area method. It is not a rule at all of using area method. You can use any method also. But anyhow, I am going to use area method to find out. In case of circle, it will find out area of circle. In case of sphere, it will find out area of sphere. In case of cylinder, it is going to find out area of cylinder. Okay. void area semicolon. So only declaration, no statements. If a class contains at least one abstract method, it is our responsibility. We have to declare this method as abstract method. And if a class contains at least one abstract method, we have to declare that class also as abstract. But in case of interface, no need of using abstract keyword. By default, a method without body, simply if you provide void area, will be treated as abstract. But coming to class, if a class contains at least one abstract method, we have to declare that method as abstract method. And if a class contains at least an abstract method, we have to declare the class also abstract class. Now, okay, this R value, pi value, read method and area method, this have to be used by circle class and sphere class as well as cylinder class. Okay, I will explain how to use it in case of circle class, in case of what? Sphere class. Okay, by going to that program, easily you can apply it to cylinder also, no issue. Otherwise, I will use for circle and cylinder. Okay, because sphere formula is almost same as circle and sphere. But in case of cylinder, we have to use H value. That's why I will use the same for circle object and cylinder object. Now, I have to find out area of circle. Okay. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Already I am having pi, I am having r value. So what I will do is, I will create circle class circle. Okay. To create a class from existing class, it may be a normal class or abstract class. What keyword is used? Extends keyword is used. What is the purpose of extends keyword? To create a class from existing class, normal class or abstract class. But if it is interface, to create a class from interface, we have to use implements keyword. But here, I am creating a class from another abstract class or normal class. We have to use extends keyword. What is the abstract class name? Shapes. Okay, when you are going to work with inheritance, all the properties of parent class, now this become parents, this will become child class. All the properties of parent class will be acquired by child class. But listen carefully. This abstract class is having at least one abstract method. If you create a class from abstract class may contain one abstract methods, two abstract methods or three abstract methods. Those abstract methods should be defined in newly created class. But in case of interface, we have to define. But we have to define as public. In case of abstract class, when you are going to create a class from abstract class may contain one abstract methods, two abstract methods, three abstract methods. All those methods should be defined in newly created class. No need of defining it as public. Simply define it. Void area. Sir, why you are not defining read? Read is not abstract, it is not concrete. Because of writing class circle extend shape, I am getting r value, I am getting pi value, I will get what? Read method also. Read method means I am entering r value. Now I have radius value, I have pi value. What is the formula to calculate area of circle? Okay, double result equal to, you have to write pi into radius into r system dot out dot println the area of circle is plus result. It will calculate area of circle. Okay, now I have to find out area of cylinder. Class cylinder. What is the formula for area of cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. Already I have pi value, r value. But I require h value. Class cylinder extends. From R class I have to create shapes. Okay, come down. I am creating the cylinder class from R class, shapes class. I will get all the data, pi value, r value, while reading this. Okay, whatever value you want to read it, provide that value. But to find out area of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, I don't have h value. Do one thing. Anyhow, we are creating this cylinder class from what class? Shapes class. I am getting r, I am getting pi, I am getting read. By using read method, I am providing radius value. Okay, we are getting this abstract method also. If a class is having, okay, abstract methods, if you create a class from abstract class, this method should be defined here. No need of defining it as public, simply define it. Wide area. Okay, I am having pi value, r value, but I require what? One more value. What is that value? H value. Int h equal to height value. Take some value 10. Sir, I want to read this value from the, again user means again scan s equal to new scanner of system.in. System.enter out.println enter height value. Int h equal to s.nested, you can write it. Now I have h value. Directly I am providing. I am not reading from the keyboard like this. Directly I am providing. Now I have radius value. I have h. I have pi. What is the formula for calculating area of that one? Double result equal to. Sir, we are using result here also. We are using it here also. This result is local variable in this area method. This is local variable in this method. No problem at all. Double result equal to, what is the formula? 2 into pi into r plus h. System dot out dot println. The area of cylinder is plus result. Area method close, class closed. Now I have to access this shapes class data. We have to access circle class data. We have to access cylinder class data. Okay. Normally we can't create object to shapes class because in this abstract class we are having only code type. Anyhow, from this class we are creating other classes. All this data is available here. That's why abstract class will allow to create only reference. It is not possible to create object to abstract class. No need of, okay, if you create object also, this is not at all useful. That's why they have designed it as like that. Now I have to access this class data, this class data, this class data. Okay, Java is designed as purely object oriented language. Hence, we have to write a separate class, okay, to create object. Where we have to create object? By writing main program. But Java is not simply procedure oriented programming. Java is purely object oriented programming. So we have to use class abstract demo, because this is the program to demonstrate abstract class. Abstract demo. Sir, why are you writing separate class? Okay, without closing this class, directly I can write main, I can create object. We can write it, but you will get confused. That's why I am writing separately. Okay? Actually, we have to create object to this class, this one in the main program. Like your C and C++, directly we can't write main program. Because Java is designed as purely object oriented language. That's why to write main also we have to write separate class. Then write public static void main string args. Which class data I have to access? Circle class data, create object. Circle C equal to new circle. Okay, access what method? Class circle extend shapes. We are having read method and we are having area. C dot read, C dot area. C dot area means it will ask you enter radius value. We will enter radius. Then C dot area means it will calculate that. Okay. Next, in the same way, cylinder class data. Create object to cylinder class. Cylinder C equal to new cylinder. Okay. First I have to call C dot read C dot area. Main close, class close. Now most of you get doubt. Sir, in this program I have more than one class. How to save this program? See, most of you they will tell you save the program as class name. No need of saving like that. You can use any name. For example, I am going to use sample.java. Okay. When you are going to compile this program using Java C, use Java C file name sample.java. But while running program Java, what is the main class name? Abstract demo. Use that main class name. Okay. So if they will tell like that, most of you get doubt. Sir, what is this? That's why. What is the main class name? Abstract demo. Okay, they will ask you to save that as abstract demo.java. Then Java C abstract demo.java. While running Java, what is the main class name? Abstract demo. Okay, but it is not a rule at all of saving the program with the class name. You can use sai.java, VIJAY.java, abstract class.java. But okay, if your file name and if your main class name is different, then while compiling program use file name Java C sample.java. But while running program use Java main class name. Don't use all the remaining classes. Where our main is located, abstract demo. This is a simple program to understand the purpose of abstract classes. Go through this video. Okay. Have a look of this one. If you have any doubt, comment in my comment section. Okay, I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.